told you all
Hmm.
that I had put all the activities that we do right from getting out of the car,
Hmm.
going into the big market, because
Hmm.
Bada Bazaar for a girl to go,
Hmm.
it's a man's market.
Hmm.
It's one
Right.
of the biggest wholesale market in Eastern India.
Huh. Right.
So she goes and gets 400 blankets, packs it up,
Hmm.
gets the mosquito nets. So the
Hmm.
entire process
Hmm.
I had documented
Hmm.
by pictures.
Hmm.
And then when it came to our godown,
Hmm.
our girls, because girls team,
Hmm.
so the girls then picked it up, it into the office.
Hmm.
Right now, this entire ceremony of
Hmm.
8, 9 blasts in yesterday night.
Hmm.
In the morning, there was a gentleman who sent a message
Hmm.
saying that correct, I want to send some money, and I've sent that to y'all.
Yeah. Correct.
The entire conversation,
Correct.
and and at that point of time, I was driving, so I told him, "What's up, please?"
Hmm.
Then he said that I am a donor. I want to give you money.
Hmm.
Is your gateway correct?
Hmm.
So then I sent him again
Hmm.
the fresh NGO account number.
Hmm.
Then he said, as soon as you get the money, please inform me. So I told him pranam, and after about an hour,
Hmm.
because through the gateway into the bank, it takes its own time.
Hmm.
And today is the second Saturday also.
Hmm.
So then I was surprised myself to see 20,000 rupees because I don't know him. And
Hmm.
my entire conversation, if you all have read it,
Hmm.
shows that here is a stranger who's helping me.
Hmm.
And because I had put hashtags, I had put my bank account numbers,
Hmm.
my website. So he went
Hmm.
and paid through that process, right? And by 11 o'clock, I had 20,000 today. Yesterday also 25,000 came. So 45,000 just came because I'm listening to the mentor telling me what to do. So his thoughts when I joined him in August
Hmm.
was to keep showing activities on Facebook. I was showing activities, but not all scattered all over. Right.
Right.
So now it is very focused, and there are about 8 activities that we do. Everything I do is an activity. If
Right.
a girl is stitching on the machine, that's an activity.
Hmm.
That's an activity. If there is a birthday going on, that's an activity.
Yeah.
So we have taken every work we do as an activity, which our donors like.
Right.
So today, I got about 4,000 rupees, which I send the receipts to y'all
Right.
because money has come in. So now I've got 20 blankets there. Jhumki is going out with 400 blankets
Hmm.
to give to Sundarban,
Hmm.
right? And I've taken a target myself of 10,000 blankets, and I'm just sort of reached 500. But 500 in 5 days is very good,
Yeah. Absolutely.
and the only stories are very very emotional. Like today, I was seeing Mr. Oja, and I must compliment him. He promised that he will do activity. He's done the activity, but there is no emotional content.
Yeah. I think no,
The
we will.
emotional
Yeah,
part, you
we
see
will
that
make him learn
tribal,
that. Yeah,
yeah. So all of us will help him.
we'll help him.
Today it was fantastic, but
Yeah,
there was one video which is 5 minutes. No one is going to listen to 5 minutes.
yeah, correct.
Anything above 30 seconds, people is not going to listen.
Maximum 1 minute.
Yeah,
Maximum 1 minute. Yeah.
good photographs, but too far.
Hmm.
He wanted to take everyone in one frame.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
Ji, fantastic, fantastic. I really enjoyed all of it, right? But we don't know whether they are tribal children
Right.
because they are not speaking in their language.
Hmm.
If they are tribal, like when I was in Sundarban, the tribals were dancing and we were recording them in their language,
Right.
right?
Fine.
In their language.
Yeah,
And
I think Ojaji, I think you made a good beginning. I'm very happy that
fantastic,
you have
fantastic
started
beginning.
this. Very nice. And the message to the entire group members today is that you have seen in the last 2 days itself, Mr. Arup has proved to all of you that by showing the activities to in the digital world, he has been able to get two big monies, that is 25,000 rupees and 20,000 rupees from two different people who are absolutely strangers for him. 45,000 rupees he has got. Over and above that, from known circle also, he has got couple of money. I think, how much overall, what has been your collection between yesterday and today, Mr. Arup? No, please unmute.
Uh,
Yeah.
25, 20, and about 8,000 in 500 rupee notes and 1,000 rupee notes, because you had told us not to show anything about below 1,000 rupees
Yeah, right.
as a
Correct.
receipt. So
Yeah.
total, I got this thing, 45 plus 8, that's about 53,000.
53,000 rupees in 2 days time. In 2 days time. Absolutely. Yeah. Sorry. I muted you again. By mistake, I muted you.
Yeah. Actually, it's in 24 hours, because yesterday and today, yesterday we spoke at 4:30.
Yeah, right.
We were
24
speaking
hours.
at 8 o'clock. So roughly, it's not 2 days actually.
24 hours. It is
It's
1
a
hour.
24 or 28 hours. And all I did was whatever Sridhar is telling me to do. I'm not reinventing anything. I am just doing what, as I call him, my guru is telling me, you do this, Arup, I'm doing it. Right? He's told everyone to put 4. I put 8, 9, 10 because I have stories.
Yes.
I have the sex workers, I have the sex worker children, I have Sundarban. I have stories.
Yeah.
And very good camera work.
Absolutely.
Very, very good camera work. We don't show ourselves, we show our behind. And on the behind, Notun Jibon is written. So that comes out very clearly.
So you have seen him get recognized by IPL team. Okay. You have seen him getting recognized by the donors all across the world.
Bombay, the 14 magazines. Yeah. 14 magazines that have written about me.
About him. 14 magazines have written about him. All this happened because his digital presence increased. The moment he increased his presence in the digital world, then he started getting recognition from all across the country and also world. And then he started getting support in terms of finance, fund, day in and day out. And it's been pouring. I don't think I've seen him from August, from the time he started following this practice. Not a single day has gone without collecting funds.
Yeah.
Every day there has been a fund collection. Every single day he has been able to collect money. Okay. I think the lowest, what has been your lowest collection on a single day?
It's about 1,500 rupees, sir.
Lowest collection is 1,500 rupees.
1,500.
And the highest collection has been?
Oh, this thing, 2.35 lakhs.
2.35 lakhs.
I've shown it.
And all in digital world only.
All digital.
Now
I stay awake till 1 o'clock in the night, sir.
Correct.
Yesterday also I signed off at 1 in the night.
Yeah. All of you should.
My son was worried. He said, "What are you doing awake?" Concerned.
So all of you should understand one thing, that if you go to government and ask for funds, project funding and all those things, it will take months together for you to get. Even a 3 lakh project, you apply for a 3 lakh project, it will take a minimum of 6 months for you to get funding from them, and there is no guarantee. Okay, you have to keep on running around the pillar to post, keep on going to the government office, keep on following up, and there is no guarantee that money will come. But every time you go, you have to grease somebody or the other, right? All this is required. Whereas in the digital world, no such kind of greasing, and you are not going personally and meeting anybody. Your activity in the digital world will talk about it, and then people come forward and donate. Okay, now Arup is not the only person. Now I'll tell you Mr. Mahesh Parameshwaran, okay, who is there. Mahesh Parameshwaran was not there yesterday. Mahesh, can you please come online?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mahesh, quickly, just about, not elaborated, just about 30 seconds, 1 minute, can you briefly tell what has been your experience in learning from the workshop? You attended my last workshop.
Yes, sir. Actually, it was a new learning process for me. I am an IT engineer by profession, but Sridhar sir told me how to use this. As per I had, I was trying to work a project with Sunny Leon, and we were able to connect with her, and she has donated around 1 lakh to Kerala, I mean to our kids in slum. And also we are going to look forward for future projects with her. because she really liked the way we had presented that video in this last suggested by Sridhar sir. Right now we are in a very good terms, and we are looking forward for another application which is going to link different NGOs, and which is going to give different services like blood donation, toy donation, reading book donation, dress donation, and all these stuffs. I mean, blood donation, everything. So A to Z services we can give through mobile application, which can be downloaded through Android or iOS, and can what is a good thing is like NGOs, colleges, everyone can register over it.
Yeah,
All the people can make
right.
use of this thing. So we are going for a goodwill ambassador for that, and we have spoke with actor Vijay, and also we have spoke with Sunny Leon and Amy Jackson, and one South Indian actor is there, Tovino. So we will catch a good person who is able to lead it from the front, because celebrities usually take it the news in a better way. Because if I say something, and if a celebrity says something, more people will be keen and keen to listen to celebrity. So we are trying to catch a very good celebrity for that, like a
Right.
goodwill ambassador.
In terms of donations, can you tell your experience and how much money?
Actually, I started one Milab camp for Can Money by Happiness. I just spent 10,000, but now I have around 30,000. That is, I spent 10,000, but I got 30,000, around 3 times money to Milab. So Sridhar sir asked me just to go and raise a fundraiser camp in Milab. So I did like that. So the money I spent was 10,000, but after I started the Milab camp for same cause, I got 30,000. That means twice the money which I spent. So
Okay.
it
And
was
prior to that, Mr. Mahesh, you also got one single day 18,000 rupees.
correct, correct. One of my friends, they happened to see it. I used hashtags, and the way of presentation was different. I included the account number. So by seeing the account number itself, because usually I don't put the hashtags and account number, so people, I have to go and check with the people, or either they have to check with me, which rarely happens. But this time I put the account number and hashtags, and one fine day I saw that some amount is being credited. That is like 18,000. So it's like I didn't ask for anyone, or they didn't have to ask me also. Fine
It
morning
just
I
it
saw
just happened. It
it
just
just
happened.
happened because I mentioned the account details over there.
Right.
So yeah,
Thank you,
the way of
Mahesh. Thank
presentation.
you. Yeah, thank you. And one I want you to make one separate video with regard to that app, which you're
Yes,
talking
sir.
about, which I will
Mm.
circulate to all the NGOs for them to understand, and they will connect with you and see how each one of us can help each other. Okay. Now coming to Mr. Dr. Rajesh Kalam. Rajesh Kalam, are you there? Dr. Rajesh Kalam is a person, for 3 years, he did not get a single rupee running an NGO. He did not know what to do, how to do, where to do, what needs to be done and all that. But in 10 days time, he got 80,000 rupees. Dr. Rajesh, are you there, Dr. Rajesh? Can you unmute yourself? Dr. Rajesh, I think no, you're not audible. Fine. Anyway, this gentleman did not know how to start the NGO itself. What kind of activity he has to do, he didn't know what to do and all that. But maybe he was doing something, but he was not able to raise even a single rupee. But the moment he joined our team, and then when he realized about the digital platform, what it can do, he just followed that, and then he got 80,000 rupees in just a span of about 10 days time. So where on earth, which government will give you, which state government will give you this kind of money instantly? Okay, you have to wait for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, sometimes 1 year also to get your funding. That is the disadvantage in a government funding. And the disadvantage in the government funding also is that you need to do what they tell you to do. Here, you can do what you want to do and raise funds. So that is the difference between digital and the government funding. And the potential of raising funds in the digital platform is 10 times superior than getting funds from government, because there you are not sure. But here, if your work is good, you can be 100% sure that you will get money. 100%. There is no second thoughts at all. You don't have to have an iota of doubt that you will not get funds. Only criteria of fund coming to you is your emotional story, the work that you do, the activity, the way in which you present yourself, that only will give you funds. Okay, no work, nothing. Supposing you're planning to do some activity, you can always tell, they'll be waiting for you to start the activity. Once they see the activity that you're doing, you will start getting funds. So this is the power of that. Okay, now you have understood the power. These are good examples. I just want to know from yesterday's learning, has anybody in the group, newcomers, have they implemented something yesterday night? Anybody has done anything? Is there anyone?
Yes, sir. I'm from Haryana. Daniel here.
Yes, Daniel.
Yeah,
Yes.
I started searching the group that you have introduced.
Right.
Some of the group I had joined,
Right.
and yeah, I'm learning slowly. Slowly, I'm learning, but I need your mentorship in the future. I like to learn more things.
Very good. Fine. Fantastic.
Really hear the good stories from everyone. And that's
Yeah.
really inspiring us. And thank you so much. Yeah.
Right. Daniel. Anybody else apart from Daniel? Anybody else has made an attempt to go do some sort of, some sort of
Yeah.
work there?
We have put one of our staff on the job for this today,
Right.
and since morning till now, he is sitting and giving a lot of requests for the joining the groups according to the tag list you gave. So
Absolutely.
hopefully by tomorrow evening we'll be into 300-400 groups.
Fantastic. Fantastic, Mr. Christopher. Give him a very big hand because he has done a fabulous job. He has taken action. I'm telling you, once he starts posting his, activity in that group, wherever he has joined, you see how funds will start coming to him. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That's fantastic. Dr. Charles, you said something. You are wanting to say something, Dr. Charles? You have done some activity?
Sir, I have started. I am trying to make the videos, certain videos. You mentioned about the emotional videos, right?
Right.
And our last 2 to 3 years programs have enormous number of evidences. So we are compiling that. Most probably in a day or two, we'll be ready with that.
Right.
Plus, we are slowly getting into some groups. So tomorrow I will be aggressively doing that.
Yeah, but please remember one thing. Please remember one thing. No too much of music and all that. Avoid music. Okay. Let most of the videos be raw videos. Okay.
Okay. I have also told my team.
Supposing you're editing and all those things, it'll give you a picture that you're doing for the sake of donation raising and all that. Even if mistakes are there, it's okay.
Okay.
But it should be raw video.
So today I was discussing about the photos you told. No posing for photographs, it should be raw and all. So hopefully from tomorrow evening and by Monday it should be ready.
Very nice, very nice. Very happy to see, and I'm glad. What about Meena madam? Meena madam, have you been able to do? Meena ji. Okay, what about Soumya? Soumya, have you been able to do something? Some activity? It's like, you need to understand that supposing you buy a new mobile, right? When you buy a new mobile, you will immediately not know what to do in that mobile. But if you start playing around with that mobile, right, in about 2 hours time, you will get to know what needs to be done, how to operate that mobile, where to go, what to do, all those things you will know. But a new mobile, first time when you buy, you will not know what to do. But playing with that mobile will help you. Like that, Facebook is like that. You need to go there. You need to go there and start playing.
Yeah, I just went into some of the groups somewhere. I've given friend request for membership. All that I have done, but not on. I mean, that's what I did today.
Right. Okay, great, fine. I think you started some activity. I'm very happy that you made the beginning, and I'm sure that in the next 1 week's time, I will have more success stories coming, and people will start telling. And my communication to the people, public, especially the NGOs, is that how you can raise 5-figure. 5-figure can be 10,000. 5-figure can be 99,999 rupees. Okay, I said in less than 30 days time, you can earn anywhere between 10,000 to 99,900 rupees in less than 30 days time if you follow the system that I'm advising you to do. Okay, now moving forward, today is going to be another interesting session. Very, very interesting session. Please pay complete attention to what I'm going to say. And I've also brought in one special guest. Okay, today I'll be introducing him at an appropriate time. and he will come forward and he will talk about very interesting projects for all of you. That's why, I have even invited my old group members to be a part of this program today, and he's going to talk about that. At an appropriate time, I will bring him. Before that, please make notes of whatever I'm going to say and take screenshots wherever possible, wherever it is required, and follow what I'm saying. Every single slide which I'm going to show you is going to be very powerful slide. Okay, please make note of that. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, so today I'm going to dwell a little on power of YouTube. If you people don't have YouTube account, please open an account. It's very simple. It is free. If you have a Gmail account, it is very easy. You can simply open a channel. And again, don't expect perfection on the day one. No need, not at all required. But go and open a YouTube account. And after opening a YouTube account, start practicing doing something in YouTube, right? Upload some of the YouTube videos to that, and don't make it public. You can make it private. You can make it unlisted one, right? And you start doing that activity and then upload that video into YouTube. Keep it unlisted or keep it private, and keep watching that for 2-3 times. What kind of corrections you can make and all that. And do not expect it to be perfect. Version 1 is better than version 0. Okay, it is better than version 0. Don't expect 100% perfection. 100% perfection is not at all possible. To err is human, and even if you make mistakes, people will just forgive you. No problem, nothing to worry about it. But be vocal, be positive, and keep talking good things. And whatever value addition you can give, you start giving in that YouTube videos, right? Open it today itself and then have this account for yourself. Then the next part that I wanted to tell you is, which are the best programs which will attract donors to give you money? Okay, the first and the foremost, the topmost is Shresthadan, that is hunger. Annadan is the Shresthadan. Wherever you are giving food, you will see that anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, the food program attracts plenty of donors. Everybody gives money there only. If you look at a graph and make a pie chart of it, and if 100 rupees has come as donation, right, 50% of that will be for Annadana, and the balance 50% will only go to rest of the programs that I'm talking about. The next very good program is Vidyadan, education. Okay, so people who are starting the NGO, who wants to start and see whether what kind of program that I'm supposed to do, especially for people like Irfan, who is yet to start some activity and all that, he can look at these options and then focus on these kind of programs to get support from the donors. So the first one is hunger, the second one is Vidyadan, and the third one is to do with differently abled. Differently abled are earlier we used to call them as disabled. We are not supposed to call them disabled. Government has banned that particular word, and you should call them as differently abled people. Any welfare activities that you're doing for differently abled will get support. Now, for example, I think Meena Madam is doing that. She is doing welfare activities for the differently abled. She is giving, some tools and all that, some mobility chairs and some walking sticks and all those things. And she is doing limb replacement and all those things she's trying to do. I think that's a very good program she's doing, and she will get definitely very good support in the digital world. And the fourth one is mentally challenged. Mentally challenged and mentally ill people, if they are there, I mean, that program also, any welfare activity you do for that, you will definitely get very good support. Old age and senior citizens welfare activities is the next. Widows welfare activities is the next. Women empowerment programs, and everything else is others. Okay, on anything else. But these 7, if you focus any one of these programs, if you are doing, it is absolutely, it is going to give you a lot of funds from the digital world, right? Imagine a person like Arup Gupta, Arup Sen Gupta, who was doing only 7 lakhs last year. today he is very confident that he will be able to get 1 crore and 2 crores kind of money. Okay, between this year and next year, his figure is going to reach 2 crores. It is possible because already he is at the stage of 46-50 lakhs right now. And till March, I think he will be able to touch a figure of 1 crore. And next year, he will be able to even touch 1.5 crores kind of money. Okay, that is the kind of turnover that he can do, going by the speed with which he is working today, right? So, which means a person who was doing only 9 lakhs till last month, okay, last year, the whole of last year he has done only 9 lakhs. Imagine one small shift that he made to digital world in a proper manner, focused manner, the manner in which he was advised to do, has given him such a fantastic change. And the same kind of results you can all see. And I'm seeing that the new group of people who have come are doing some of the fantastic job, like, Christopher Joseph's job is fantastic. Meena Madam's job is fantastic, fabulous. And, your Dr. Charles' program, it's a fabulous thought process that he has got. He's wanting to start some hospitals and all that, and he has got a very good background activities so far, and he is going to get phenomenal support from public. You just wait and watch. In next 6 months time, lot of success stories are going to come. I'm very, very, very optimistic about this. And there are plenty of people in this group, especially are high and energetic, and they are also following this very, very systematically and very meticulously. They are understanding the whole concept, and I'm very, very happy about it. And I'm very confident that all of you will succeed. So you are already in this part of this. I think some of them are not in old age and all that, but these are some of the important programs that you should keep in mind. Then I want you to register in this organization, giveindia.org. Okay, it's very, very difficult to get yourself accepted by giveindia.org, but this will give you credibility. Some of the donors ask you a question, are you there in Give India, so that they can donate through them. There is a trust which has been built by Give India for the especially the international donors and all that. They trust Give India, and through Give India, the donations will start coming to the respective NGOs. They can pick and choose an NGO from the list that they have in Give India, and they will donate. The money will go to Give India. Give India in turn will give you, right? The process of registration and all that, if you are finding any difficulty, you WhatsApp me privately. I will tell you how to go about doing that. But it's very simple process. It's not difficult at all. They are asking some for basic documents and all that. There could be some sort of inquiries coming here and there. They will ask for that and give them relevant documents. Somebody might come physically, come and visit your NGO and see whether the activities that you are doing is real. And after that, once you are inside Give India, then you will also get some surprises. Some surprises will always be there for you. Without your knowledge, money will start coming. Okay. In fact, I'm happy to tell you that out of the old group, I think Arup Sengupta has already registered to Give India, and they have approved his case. And he is already there, I think. Are you there already, Mr. Arup Sengupta, now?
Yeah, this is also because IPL, the entire donation of IPL went to Give India.
Oh, went to Give India. Okay.
Give India, the entire donation that the world donated went into Give India. And that is the time when I applied. Coincidentally, your talk and my talk were together at that time.
Right.
I applied with my story and my video because IPL was sponsoring.
Right.
They accepted it. They did a spot check in Kolkata. They came to the NGO. They checked my balance sheets. They've approved it, and now I'm just waiting for funds. And they've taken my gateway also.
Right. Fabulous.
Payment
very good. Very good. So the next one is guidestarindia.org. Please take a screenshot of this. Here also you register. These are all, when you register in these portals, what happens is that your credibility increases. You as an NGO will be recognized by the donors if you are there. This will add value. So please register here also. And then now I'm going to talk about something very interesting. Okay. For some people, it might sound very, very stupid. In fact, what is this? These kind of things are being, I am advising and all that, right? But this gives phenomenal results. You may not actually right now believe that, but because some success stories are already there for me to show you. You have to follow this because this is a fantastic opportunity that you will be getting. And I'm talking about bornglorious.com India birthday. Okay, now let me go to this website and show you what is this all about. Okay, so I've taken you to this website. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Right. Now you will find here, see this this particular website. If you go here, you see today is 28th. Okay, 28th being 28th of November. Now all these are celebrities. All these are celebrities, and their birthdays are due today. Okay, all these people. Now, if you go down somewhere here, I think, yeah, somewhere here. If you click this here, now let's see for next month. I'm going for the month of December. For the month of December, okay. So I have taken the list of people. Now for the month of December, if you see, Salman Khan's birthday falls on December 27th. Okay. Srinivasa Ramanujan's birthday 22nd. Some of the popular people will see. Rajinikanth's birthday falls on December 12th. Okay. Dharmendra's is on December 8th. Tamanna, December 21st. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, December 24th. Okay, Rajesh Khanna, then Dilip Kumar, Anil Kapoor, Govinda, Ritesh Deshmukh, Raj Kapoor, Jagmohan Reddy, and Rana Dagubai. So these many people's birthdays are falling next month, and you can see actually page 1 to 117. Totally 117 pages are there to see in the month of December. So many people will be there actually. Total 2,329 people. In the month of December, birthday is there. Okay, but you don't have to look at all those people. Some of the prominent people birthday celebrations can be made. How it can be made is by way of the manner in which I think Mr. Arup Sengupta, when you celebrated Amitabh Bachchan's birthday, is that video shared in the group yesterday, day before yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, have you all seen, all the newcomers, have you all seen that video of Amitabh Bachchan's video, that celebration video? If not, can you just quickly share me that video, Arupji, so that I can play it and show it to them, how it looks like? I think
while you talk, I'll do it.
Yeah. Well, it's about 1 minute or 2 minutes a video.
I'll send it to your page.
Yeah, you send it to my WhatsApp. I'll show it to them. Right. What can happen? What can happen when you celebrate this birthday in the manner in which what Arup is going to show you now? Okay. I'll show you that what will happen is that none of these people, none of these celebrities will give you money. Okay, none of the celebrities you expect any money from them. Don't expect anything from them. They may not even see your video, but they have got a huge fan base. Okay, they have got a huge fan base. Fan base will be in millions, and they will all look at your videos. Most of them, when birthday celebrations are going, and it is from children from your side or from people, beneficiaries of your, especially, if Meena Madam can do a celebration, birthday celebration for Rajinikanth through the beneficiaries that you have, 600 people that you have, right? Take some 10-20 people and then make them celebrate his birthday, and go to his Twitter account. Okay, not his Facebook account. If it is possible to post, you can post it. Otherwise, you can go to his Twitter account and post it in his Twitter handle. Then what happens is that Twitter, he has got in Twitter, he will have millions of followers. People will keep on retweeting also that one. And they will keep on retweeting, and it will reach out to many people. And from there, some of them will see that, some of the donors will see that, even 1 or 2 donors will see that and start donating money for you. And that is how Manoj Bajpayee and Soni Sood, both of them came to Arup Sengupta. They called him after seeing that. Okay, and Manoj Bajpayee has now given him one task. He is in about 3 months' time, he is supposed to give him a project plan for Sundarban on a project where he said that I will help you raise 1 crore for that. Okay, up to 1 crore, he has committed that I will get you that kind of funding for you. And he has asked him to give him, 3 months plan. And how did he get that? Because he did one birthday celebration for Amitabh Bachchan in the month of November, I think in the month of October, he did that. And in the month of September, I think. October, is it? October.
Yeah. October 10th.
October 10th, you did it. And this was the response from them. And immediately, within a span of just 1 month's time, he has got this kind of response. Have you shared that, Mr. Arup?
Yeah, this thing, October 10th.
Have you shared that video to me?
Yeah, I've sent it. Plus Manoj Bajpayee's mail.
Also, you have sent it.
Acknowledging that we are his sixth company. That also I sent yesterday. There's 152,000 hits on that mail of his, which I sent yesterday.
Amazing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amitabh Uncle. Happy birthday to you. Mr. Bachchan, happy birthday to you, sir. You are our biggest inspiration. I recently saw your movie Badla and it inspired all of us. These are the small children that are with us into education. Need your blessings always, and thank you so much for today. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
So
this
here
was sent to Twitter,
yes,
Instagram, Facebook, into his personal account as well as Amitabh Bachchan fan mail.
Right, amazing. And where is that other one which you were talking about? That's hit yesterday.
I sent the mosquito nets.
Mosquito nets, yeah, I'll see that. Yeah.
While you're speaking, I'll just send it back.
Yeah, let me see.
Oh,
So you saw that, this is the kind of success rate he got. But Amitabh Bachchan per se probably might not have asked him to, blessed him or wished him or thanked him or something like that. Nothing. But his people who have seen that have already given him this kind of support for him. Okay, now coming to even Mahesh Parameswaran, also shared with you right now, Sunny Leone, right? The idea came to him from, he did a beautiful video. I want him to share in the group after this meeting, let people see that. Mahesh, you please share the video that you have made for Sunny Leone, how you made it, so that others will get an idea how to do that. Sunny Leone, please remember that I was thinking she's just an item girl, right? But when he posted that video, I found that she has done amazing charity work and all that. I didn't know that. My image about Sunny Leone changed after seeing that video of what Mahesh Parameswaran did it. He did a beautiful video about Sunny Leone, and she in turn has personally wished him back, saying that thank you very much for all the kindness, support and all that you have given. And she sent close to around 1 lakh worth of toys and other thing, and also committed to him that she will support his future project, particularly on the slum area that he has chosen. And he is very optimistic, and I think he is closely in touch with her manager. Almost I think now, how frequently you have been talking to her manager Mahesh?
Approximately to 1.5 months or 2 months around.
You have been in touch with him?
One and a half or 1 month, sir. Actually.
Right. You have been closely in touch with him, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So there's
actually, it's a manager is she. She's a lady.
She. Acha. Okay, great. So this is the response that he also got. So which goes to show that if you do this, sometimes if they are able to notice what you have done, they might probably come to you. If not, yes, at least her fan base. But I personally, if you look at me, what I have got is from Lara Datta. This is my mail.
The mosquito net I've already sent you.
You have sent it, is it? Yeah, right. Great. Yeah. Now, what she says is that she has given me 4 lakhs. See here, you can see. We are able to make a modest contribution of rupees 4 lakh from the proceeds that were collected from a charity fundraising event that we recently concluded. This will be transferred to No Hungry Child shortly. So I got this money of 4 lakhs from her, from Lara Datta. Okay, and I did a very good program for her, and it was a December time, and some jingle bell and all that was celebrated, and I put a photograph and all that, and there was a birthday celebration by the children there, and we got this kind of money, right? So this is a wonderful tool that you need to keep on doing it month after month. You can do activities like this every month, because different celebrities are available in this. So as we go here again, where is that I saw? Yeah, here I think. Yeah. So you can see December 27th, Salman Khan. People can choose any one NGO do it. Don't let there not be clash of too many people doing the same thing. Then they will get an idea that, okay, purposely it is being done and all that. Okay. There must be some sort of coordination and understanding between all our NGOs, that whoever there in this group, supposing one NGO decides to celebrate Salman Khan, then other NGOs should not celebrate for Salman Khan. They can pick and choose anybody else, right? In fact, for Chennai-based NGO, I would request Meena to celebrate Rajinikanth's birthday, and you see some good results will come to you. Rajinikanth may not donate, right? But he is also a very good, kind-hearted person, I understand, and he is doing a fabulous job also. Sometimes, he openly admits that I will donate for this and all those things. And especially, I think the Kaveri, the water connection, river connection between all the states, he has volunteered to donate about 1 crore for that. Long back, I think he has made a statement. So he is also a person who can donate in case he notices. But forget about him. You just go and post it in his Twitter handle and Facebook page if it is possible in Facebook. But Twitter, you can always do it. There's no restriction there. And if you do that, his fans will come forward and donate for you. So will you be able to take up this and do this, Meena Madam? I think you can chat. You can just say yes. I know your network is bad. You can say yes, no. You said yes. Very good. Fine. Thank you so much. All right. So we will freeze on this particular thing, because I want some results to be seen in the coming month. Who will do for Salman Khan? Salman Khan, somebody should volunteer and say that I will do. Right. The first person who does it will get it. Who wants to celebrate Salman Khan's birthday? From the group, newcomers. December 27th is the date. Nobody is coming forward. Then Arup will take it. If nobody is coming forward, he will take it.
Yes, I'll do, Sallu bhai.
See, I know. No. I've got some reply.
Please, I don't want to do it. Someone else. Yeah. No, I'll tell you why. To be fair to everyone, I will help them because I friends to come forward.
Yeah, no. Why I said that?
And Rajinikanth film actors on a very personal.
Yeah. And somebody can take up Ratan Tata. I'm telling you, Ratan Tata, if you impress, right? He is a man. He's a man with large heart.
I already booked him.
You already booked him? Mahesh has booked him already. Okay. Ratan Tata, you already booked him. Fine. Mahesh, it is for you. Okay. Let us not, have clashes, because one NGO doing it, another NGO should not do for the same person. Okay. There are plenty of people. 2,629 people are there. Okay. And you are not bothered whether those people give or not. It's immaterial for you, right? You just go and circulate your this thing. Even celebrate for a person whom you don't know. This Rana Dagubati, you may not know him also. Doesn't matter. Go and celebrate for him. Okay, because his fans are more important for you, not him. Fine. So let's please do this, and tomorrow I want you all to put it in the group that I will do this, I will do for this person, I will do this for this person, and I will approve that. I will say, okay, okay, Dr. Charles, you go ahead and do this. Okay, Mr. Christopher, you please go ahead and do it, because I'm wanting to avoid clashes, right? I will decide on that and give you the okay signal for doing activities for each of these people, right? Please do it, sir. Please post it in the group tomorrow. And tomorrow we will freeze on who is going to do for which celebrity this birthday celebration next month. All
Sir,
right.
please, Jagan Mohan Reddy, just telling in advance if it's possible.
Okay. No. So whoever wants to book it now itself can post your interest. I will immediately approve it now itself. Okay. So Mahesh Parmeshwaran is Ratan Tata. Daniel, whom you will do? Daniel. Meena will do for Rajnikant. Okay. Sudeep will do for Salman Khan, I think, right? Sudeep, that's why you said yes.
I can do for John Abraham.
John Abraham. Okay, he's there in John Abraham also is there next month.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's there. John Abraham. Christopher is doing for John Abraham.
Oh, Christopher.
No, no, Jagan Mohan Reddy.
No, who is doing for Jagan Mohan Reddy?
Christopher.
Christopher. Okay, who will do for John Abraham?
Daniel, sir.
Daniel. Okay, Daniel will do for John Abraham. Great, accepted. Then anybody else would like to book somebody?
Raj Kapoor, Arup Sengupta.
Raj Kapoor, Arup Sengupta. Fine, though he is no more, right?
But he has a huge fan following.
He is a huge fan.
Russia. He
Right.
has a huge fan following in Russia.
Absolutely, yeah, correct. Yeah, go ahead. So the balance people, we will do it tomorrow. Please post it once again. All of you who have frozen on the celebrities, post it in the group tomorrow, and I will approve it. Done. Then let's move on to next topic. Next one is birthday celebration is over. Now this is something very, very interesting. Please take a screenshot of this. Okay, this is very, very interesting that I'm going to tell you. It will blow your mind away when I say this. app.snov.io. You got a lovely dog, Arup.
It's a Yorkshire Terrier.
Right, okay.
It's just 2 kgs in weight.
Right. Now the outcome of this one particular tool which I gave has given Arup Sengupta 7 companies coming forward to give him CSR funding. 7 companies. Okay. Those are the companies who have come forward to give him CSR funding support for this. How will you get the CSR funding? I'll tell you how. So when you go to this particular tool, this is a tool where you open up, you go here, right? This is supposing, let's say for example, you want the topmost person of any company. You name the company. Okay. I'll log in first. Okay, I have logged in now. Right. So now you go here, there is something called find emails. Okay, there is something called find emails in this website. You need to go for single email search. Okay, single email search. Now I will pull out one person, let's say Christopher Joseph. You are from which place? Which place you are from?
From Gurgaon.
Gurgaon. Okay. In Gurgaon, can you tell me any big companies there? Any big company? Name of the company?
Nestle.
Huh?
Nestle.
How do you spell it?
Nestle.
Okay, Nestle. Okay, Nestle. Okay, fine. Nestle India, right? This is Nestle, right? Now this is Nestle.in. Fine. Now what I'm going to do is go to Google. I don't know who is the CEO of this thing. Do you know who is the CEO by any chance?
No, I don't know.
You don't know, right? So it's simple. Let's just go to Google and then find out who is the CEO of Nestle. Okay. He's Ulf Mark Schneider. Okay, he's a German guy. Now German. Okay, who is the CEO of Nestle? India. I'll put India, right? Suresh Narayan. So Suresh Narayanan is the CEO of Nestle India. Now I come to this tool, okay, where we came here, right? So Suresh Narayanan, and then the website is, what is the website? Nestle, what is the website? Nestle.in or .com?
Dot in.
.in, is it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Nestle.in. No, Nestle, I'll put it and see. Let's see. Nestle.in. Correct. Right. So you come to Nestle.in and put this here, right? Now you find an email of this person. Okay, it will keep searching and it will come to you. Yeah, his thing has come. Suresh.narayanan@nestle.in. That is his email ID. Okay, now what do we do with this information that is available right now? Isn't it amazing, Mr. Christopher?
Indeed, sir.
Yeah. Now, like this, if you want Mukesh Ambani's number, right? Mukesh Ambani, right? And ril.in. That is where he is there. Where is Reliance India? Ril.com. Okay, Reliance Industries. Right. Now go to this thing. You will just go for search, and then you will find Mukesh Ambani's personal email ID. You will be able to get a_Mukesh@ril.com. That is his email ID. Okay. So anywhere in the world, whichsoever, whomsoever email ID, if you want to take, you can get it from this particular tool. Okay, this will give you maximum 100 free of cost. And after that, you have to pay for it. Okay. Yeah, you have to pay for it. Now, like this, you can get it for any company, anywhere in the country. Anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, I'm talking about, not only country, anywhere in the world. You talk about, let's say, some American company CEO's email ID you want to know, right? You can find out. Apple CEO today, whoever is the CEO there, if you want Apple CEO's email ID, you can get it. Okay, now after getting this, most people, most NGOs do a mistake of sending an email asking for donation. This is the biggest mistake people do. When you ask for donation, you will not get it. Okay, so what do you do with this kind of information that you have got now? You need to just send him a greetings. Like what happened when Arup was part of this, when he did this, what happened was, that time Diwali was forthcoming. Diwali. So all that he did was greetings, I am so-and-so, and I wish you in this pandemic period, you are one of the best, you have been able to survive and do very well. And his message was fabulous. His mail was so good, and he just greeted that particular CEO. And at the bottom, he left his website and then Facebook page. That's all. Nothing else. No asking for any money and all those things. He did it on a Saturday evening.
Yeah, Saturday evening.
Saturday evening he did it. Can you believe on Sunday afternoon, he got calls from 2 companies? because the CEO in turn has seen all that, and he has asked one of his team member to get in touch with Arup and find out more details about his organization's activities and all that. And from there, some of them have already visited his project now. ICICI Bank and all has visited his branch. All that he did was just send a greetings message. This is what I would like to advise you, that don't ask for donation. Just post, send this mail with a greetings message, and at the bottom give your link. If he is interested, he will go through on his own, and then on his own he will deploy people and then make them approach you, and you will start getting support from them. How is it, gentlemen? I want reactions from people.
Very good. Excellent.
Very
Alexa?
useful tool.
Alexa ji? Dr. Charles, fantastic. Yeah. Dr. Charles, you want the criteria that you need to have, keep in mind. Let's say that supposing, my advice to you is that do not approach any politicians, any netas and all that. Don't do that, because by and large, when you go for politicians' support, what will happen is they will come. They will not give you money. They will come, they will stand before you, they will take a photo shoot, they will go and publicize in the paper, and it will be projected as if they have done that activity. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Yeah, please do not go to politician support at all. Don't ask for their support. Ask for businessman people support. They will give you, right? The CEOs of different companies will give you. You want to send a mail to some general managers, you can get his email ID. Okay. I've just shown you one tool. Now I'm going to give you more tools for the same thing. The next one is, please take a snapshot of this, a screenshot of this also. Getprospect.io. Okay, have you taken the screenshot?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what all these tools will do is that they'll all give you the same kind of information, but each tool is very powerful. Now, for example, getprospect.io, right? You see, I'll go to my LinkedIn account. I go to my LinkedIn account, and in the LinkedIn account, let's say I'll just put across, my friend is here, right? Anup, no, I'll not put Anup, so I'll put somebody else. Okay, let me see. Who else is there? Home. My network. This is my network. My network, I will have all the contact details anyway, right? But the network that I don't have, but they are very powerful people. Okay, now these people have asked for connection with me. I can accept, need not accept. But now I've looked at some of the prominent personalities in this group. Any foreigner, any good CEOs, for example, this managing director, Geoffrey Drucker, managing director at Countrywide, right? He's a MD of some company. So I can connect with him, or connection he may accept, he may not accept, I don't know. But I want his email ID. Now I want his email ID because I'm already having the get prospect. Now, if I say here get email, right, I will get his email ID. I need to sign up, that's all. So signing up I'll do now. Something wrong with my login IDs, login credentials. But what I'm trying to say is that if I see he is a managing director at Countrywide Renewable Energy Private Limited, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, right? Now I want to send him a mail. I can get his email ID using that prospect, getprospect.io. Okay, so when you get these kind of email IDs of the top people, Okay, what will happen is that they in turn will pass it on to their team members, and the team members, because the direction has come from there, right, you will definitely get support from them. Because any company, for example, you go to Google, go and list of CSR funding companies. Okay, go and take a list of all the Fortune 500 companies. You will get almost about 500 people, 500 companies there. Now, in these 500 companies, supposing you go through the normal CSR funding route, what happens? You will have to go to CSR department. In the CSR department, there will be CSR head, right? The CSR head will vet your proposals and all that, and he has to take an approval from the CEOs of the company. Now, what he will do is, by and large, the CSR funding support will not come to you at all, because he would have got hundreds of applications from different NGOs. And he will be fed up of receiving so many proposals. So he doesn't know which proposal to take up. Now imagine you send a mail to CEO of the company. Now CEO of the company knows that there is a CSR funding available from the company. Now what he will do is, he will pass on instruction to the person. If he is impressed with your work, he will pass on instruction to his team head, and say that go and investigate and see on support. When that kind of instruction goes to CSR head, will he not take action on you or not, on your proposal or not?
Will take.
That is the power of this particular tool. Now, this should not be misused. Please, if you misuse this by just asking donation straight away, right, you are lost. You have lost the battle. Don't do that. Just greet him. Now New Year is coming. Okay, or you find out when is his birthday. Surya Narayan, for example, Nestle India, right? You just go to Google and find out when is the birthday of Surya. In case it happens to be in the month of December, right? You send him a birthday wish with your link at the bottom. That's it. Simple. 2-liner, 3-liner is enough for him. And you periodically keep in touch with him. Don't flood him with too much of information. He doesn't have time to go through all that. 4 lines, 5 lines, that's all. Every time, whenever you're sending, don't enclose your newsletter, don't enclose your photographs. None of these things are required. All that should be available in your link, and give that link only at the bottom. If he wants to see it, he will see on his own. Right? Okay, now we are already at 9 o'clock. Now I need to give time for this. Tomorrow I will continue with many more things, right? Right now I'm going to bring in one Mr. Anup Gupta. He is not Sen Gupta, he is Anup Gupta. Okay, he's not Arup. He's not Arup, he's Anup, right? He's a very good friend of mine, right? And we are good buddies, power buddies. I have specially invited him because he has got some powerful projects to be shared with you. And I told him, you please come and share these projects with my team today. And he has taken his time. He's a very, very busy man, right? But in spite of that, he has taken his time and he has come forward. And he is an e-commerce entrepreneur, and he is a wellness coach also, right? Mr. Anup Gupta, a warm welcome to you.
So much, Sridhar.
A very warm welcome to you. I'll make you co-host now. Okay. Yeah, I'll make you co-host, right? And now I'll also pin you so that you are in front line now. Spotlight for everyone. And I'll take a back seat. And you please now, the floor is open for you, Mr. Anup. Yeah, this is my group of NGOs who are very committed people who are doing fantastic social activities. You must have seen in the last 1 hour itself, if you are, definitely would have observed that all these people are doing fabulous jobs, right? Now, wonderful. Please tell them, please enrich them with your wonderful projects.
Yes. So first of all, I would like to thank you, Sridhar sir, for inviting me or for giving me this opportunity, this platform to share my experience and with these kind of people. And I really congratulate each one of you. You are doing fabulous job, and you are really transforming India. And India need people like you, organization like you, to support millions of people. And let me something about myself. I did masters in biotechnology, and professionally I did I am from. I was into pharmaceutical industry for almost 8 to 10 years. I was into sales, but later on, what I realize is being in job, I cannot utilize my potential, and I'm somehow means limited, right? So I was very keen to explore the wellness industry because I did my PG in biotechnology, and I worked with pharmaceutical industry, and I want to start my own business. So during this journey and during this search, I came to know some wonderful opportunities. So as you all are aware that right now the India, what situation India as a country is facing. So I'm having three very powerful project, and which being an NGO, like all you people are in NGOs and you're running successfully all your organizations, you can help millions of people in the country through this project, and these projects are self-sustainable, and the fundraising, the biggest the discussion which was on by the Sridhar sir was fundraising. So Sridhar sir will let you know in later on sessions ki, how means by helping others, the fundraising is a byproduct, right? With the help of these projects, right? It is going to be byproduct. So I'm going to share my screen with you, right? Just for a moment. As Modi ji already declared that Atmanirbhar Bharat, I hope my screen is visible, Sridhar sir.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So in this Atmanirbhar Bharat, I'm coming up with three very powerful project, three powerful opportunity for NGO, for individual, or for people who want to make some difference in India, right? And for their personal life and to the society at larger level, right? Now the first, because I'm into age of 25 to 30, 35 years of age, youth. India is a young country, right? And as per the data, as India is facing, it's the biggest problem of unemployment, right? 27 million youth in the age group of 20, 30 years lost job in the April month. The job loss is already there because of the pandemic, but apart from the pandemic situation, this problem is still exist in India for quite so many years, and doesn't matter which government is there, but the government don't have the solution for unemployment. There is some other problems. Has been some other challenges which if we are not able to address those challenges, that then this problem is going to exist for a longer period of time. So why this unemployment is there, and what is the reason behind that? I have pointed out few points. The first point is that the the people, the graduate, the institute which are running in India, they are not industry ready. Means the guys which are coming out from the colleges and university, they are not industry ready, but they are having just piece of paper, then piece of degree. They don't have the skills, right? They don't have the skill set, competency to get the proper job. So having this degree is not sufficient, right? This is the biggest challenge, and it is because of the existing education system, right? It is responsible. And second point is that the mindset of youth and the mindset of every young person, once they come out of the college, and everybody wants means high paid job, they want white collar job, they don't want to hard work, right? They want a luxury life, they want everything on ready made, right? Instant. So this is one of the biggest reason. They are having higher expectation, they are not realistic actually. And most of the time, because I belong to simple middle class family, are the mindset right from the childhood is something like that: get a good degree, get a good job, and get settled. And if you are fortunate enough, you got a government job. So right from the beginning, our programming is just like government job is the best one, right? So most of the people are looking forward for some government job. Now, how a government can create enormous jobs, right? Government has not the potential. Government don't have the resources to create that much of government jobs. So this is a kind of expectation people are having, and don't want to upgrade the knowledge, right? The youth, once they complete their education, most of the time, maximum time, once they complete their education, they are not working on the personal development. They are not learning the latest technology, latest tools. So because of all these challenges, they're not getting the proper opportunity, and opportunities are there, but the recent data which is there, that unemployability a bigger problem than unemployment. unemployability is a bigger problem than unemployment, right? More than 50% of Indian graduates lack basic employment skill. This is the biggest issue. Now the government cannot help him out. The government इसमें कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती है. NGOs or yeah, like people like you and us can take corrective measures, and we can put a big change in our country, right? So the biggest challenge is people are not having the skill set, they don't have the mindset. And once the second problem what people are facing is, say for example, I did graduation in commerce, and I'll be more keen for the particular domain of my job, right? If I did my graduation, or if I am something like in a particular subject, and if there is no job available in that particular domain, then I'll be frustrated. The people are not ready to change actually. They don't know what is the right way, and they don't know their passion actually, and they're just running behind the job actually. So our project is called Youth Empowerment, right? We are running a very unique program called Youth Empowerment. In this program, what we do, first of all, we identify the youth, those who are into looking zone, those who want to create their own future. And the industry which we are working is an e-commerce industry, right? E-commerce is one of the fastest growing industry. So under this program, we identify the youth, we select the youth, and we provide the training programs. We provide the training programs, how you can start your own business, how you can stand up on your own, and without any major investment, how you can make 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, even beyond that, with the help of this project. And I'm really excited to share with you, there are lakhs of people in India, there are crores of people in India, those who have transformed their life with the help of this unique youth empowerment program. So this program is designed for youth, right? The second program is designed for women's, right? And as we all are aware that women are multitasking, and they can perform any task, right? They are much more capable than male partner, right? So the second project is called Women Empowerment. In this project, we identify the aspiring women or homemaker or housewife or any lady who want to start his or her own business right from her place, right? Whether it's a small town, whether it's a city, either it's online or offline, we provide her skill training, education, right? Complete training support is there, online and offline. Be- Before COVID, like we were providing the offline support as well, like, but everything is now digital mode, and so we provide digital training programs, right? And there are soft skill, hard skills, and everything is there. And there is a gradual step-by-step training program, and there are certain mentors, there are experienced people, handholding is there. So the chances of success is quite high, provided the person is committed, right? Because the system is working like the same way. Sridhar sir is sharing very amazing knowledge. I really got to know numerous things, right? It's really amazing experience for me. But it depends how we are going to apply it, right? The only thing matters is application part. So the second project is for women empowerment, where we are providing training and skills for the women so that they can be independent, they can earn on their own. And the third, which is one of my favorite subject, is called wellness, right? As we all are aware, the lifestyle diseases are increasing like anything in India, and India has become now the diabetes capital, like because of the modernization, because of the sedentary lifestyle, health, and because of pollution, right? The lifestyle diseases are increasing at very higher speed. And in order to prevent all these lifestyle diseases, in order to prevent all these ailments, the government of India has launched the Fit India movement, right? And earlier to that, I was already doing programs, various programs across India. I already visited most of the cities, right? And I did lots of program into corporates, into individual institutions. The objective of wellness program is to provide awareness about the subject called health, because most of the time we are busy in our current profession, and we make money, and after that 40 years whatever we earn, we spend that money to maintain our health, right? So health is equals to wealth, the equation comes at the end. Now the point is that if we are able to educate the people, by changing your lifestyle, by changing your dietary habit, you can prevent yourself or from these various lifestyle diseases, right? From the diabetes, hypertension, cancer, arthritis, obesity, and n number of diseases, thyroid. So these are the various common diseases. So under this project, we have got a team of nutritionists, right? Gold medalists, MSc gold medalist doctors. We were expert team of wellness expert with us. And in this program, we do various activities, awareness sessions we do either online or offline. And in this program, we try to ensure that that person should get education about the health, why the root cause of the disease, why people are becoming sick. See, most of the time you see the person is normal from outside, but he is diagnosed with the hypertension, he is diagnosed with the BP. So from outer experience, you cannot judge a person health status, right? So in this program, we educate the people by changing the lifestyle, by changing the dietary pattern, how one person can become healthy and how he or she can prevent or control his or her lifestyle diseases. So these are the three projects where we are working. And recently I discussed with Sridharji, and he just asked me to share these three projects with all you people, and we'll discuss each project in detail in later meetings, right? So over to you, Sridhar sir. This is from my side.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Anupji. And, yeah, you can probably, cut off the screen.
Yeah.
And, whatever Mr. Anup has shared in now, he has just given you a concept, a snapshot of what programs are available. One is the Youth Empowerment Program. The second is Women Empowerment Program. The third one is Health Awareness Project. Okay, these are the three important projects wherein you will be able to do justice to the community of youth, women, and the senior citizens. Okay, these three category of people you will be taking care of. Besides understanding that how to implement these projects. In order to implement this project, there are two things that you need to understand. You need to have one, know-how, technical know-how, knowledge of that particular project to understand how to implement it.
Right.
That is one. Secondly, you need funds. Okay, these are the two things which are actually taken care. It's a self-sustainable project.
Absolutely.
So when you implement that project, you will understand that the money will be automatic. Automatically it will come. It will help the beneficiary. It will help the NGO. It will help every one of us. Okay.
Right.
Now to know more about it, this is not the right place to, and I cannot communicate that all that in a span of about 5-10 minutes time. It requires at least 1.5 hours time for explanation about all these things. I'm going to keep a separate program only for this awareness projects and all that which is there. On probably coming, I'll tell you next week. I'll tell you one particular date. I will fix it up, and I will communicate in the group. All of you again come back. And then on that particular day, we'll only talk about these three projects. Okay, how we can do this project, and then this thing. Is that all fine, everyone? Got some sort of concept idea and all these things? Yes, this is an amazing project. It will give you fantastic results, and it is a self-sustainable project. Okay, all the three part of it. So thank you so much. I think the day has been great, and I would like to get a quick feedback from each one of you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was very wonderful sessions that we had, and you had really inspired a lot. Today we learned so many things, and which we never heard and we were never taught also. But thank you once again, and we would like to join with you again
tomorrow and the mentorship program.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I'll be discussing about crowdfunding. Which is again a phenomenal model. In crowdfunding, there is a lot of things that you need to understand, and opportunities are available. If crowdfunding, for people like Meenaji and all that, madam, I will give you a shocking news now. Okay, for you, in less than about 30 days time, right, you can think of raising 15 lakhs. How much? How much, madam?
15 lakhs.
No, I want madam to say. Whether she heard it or not, I want to understand. Yeah.
She has posted.
15 lakhs. 15 lakhs in less than 30 days. 30 days time, you can raise this fund. But you have only one job to do. Only one job to do, which I will tell you tomorrow, what job you are supposed to do. Okay. But in less than 15 days, not only Meena, I'm talking about Christopher, I'm talking about Dr. Charles, right? You can also get, Dr. Charles, 15 lakhs kind of money in less than 30 days time, right? But you have a job to do, one simple job that you have to do. If you are successful in that particular job, then this money is assured and I can guarantee you that money, provided you do that job. Okay, it's a simple job. Tomorrow I'll tell you what is that. Okay, and after that I'll also talk to you about my mentorship program. Okay, it's a 12-month program that I'm conducting. What is in store for you, what I will do during this 12-month period and all that, I will explain to you tomorrow about that. Okay, now I have got a feedback from Daniel. I would like people to voice out their opinion rather than putting it in the chat box. People to come forward and say, express willingly whatever you felt about today's session.
So regarding the projects that attract funding, I'm surprised to know that the Annadan is attracting more than 50% of the funds.
Yeah.
So this is new to me.
This is
new to you, and it has opened some of my some new avenues also. I'm thinking about that also. Right. And regarding the Atmanirbhar, the Bharat Abhiyan program.
Yes,
so
yes.
I'm really excited to know about all the 3 projects.
Right.
I should thank Anup Gupta for that. And I'm really interested to know more about that in the future program, especially about the Fit India program. Well, since it comes under my pursuit, so
excellent.
I should know whether if I have any role to play in that.
You will definitely, sir. That is why you see. That is why he has been invited today to communicate to all of you, so that you take up this project and implement it in your locality, in your area.
And regarding the birthday celebrations, I'm really thinking about how to whose birthday I should celebrate. So I will tell you, discuss with you tomorrow.
Right.
And tell you tomorrow, sir.
Right.
And all the things you shared with us today are new to us, and it's much importance to us. Thank you for everything.
What about yesterday's learning?
Yes, yesterday's learning was super good, sir. Everything was new to me, and I feel extremely happy that I joined this program.
Great, wonderful, very. Who is
today
next?
I was traveling from Kanyakumari district. So I rushed back so that I ensure that I reach before 8 p.m. to attend this program.
Fantastic.
I joined you by 8:50.
Great.
Happy to that.
Okay. Right. What next? Who next? Who is next?
I'm sharing, Christopher here.
Yeah, Christopher.
Advice on not going after or looking up to politicians for the inherent dangers concerning that. That was a good word of warning for us. But I think the idea of greetings to the CEOs really sounds good. We will practice that immediately. Also, this registration on Give India and Guide Service is important track for us today. Important action point for us today. So this would be our takeaway, our main takeaway from today, and we will action that and give you a report. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you, Christopher. Who is next?
Yeah, Soumya from Sukriti Foundation.
Yeah, Soumya. Yes, Soumya.
Yeah, it's very insightful. We got to learn a lot. I mean, getting the CEO email was a real, I mean, something, there are some, you find that there are some, top industrialists who are always donating, but you don't know how to, get
reach out to them.
Yes. This was certainly a very, this thing. But one thing I want to know is Give India taking in new organizations now?
Yeah, Arup has got his thing,
no, Arup's case is, I mean, any other organization has got it?
They have not applied. They have not applied for it. If you apply for it, and if you ask for it, if your program is good, definitely they will accept it. And if you have any problem, you let me know. I will help you, because I have got good connections there. I'll help you.
Okay.
Not to worry.
Soumya, I had applied before the IPL. Sridhar told me this in August. I applied in August. They hastened it is another story. But the entire process was done. You see, what happens is I will have dinner now, and the task that he's it and then go to sleep. Even if it means I'll go to sleep at 6 o'clock in the morning, so be it. I do not postpone it for the next day. That's been my 46 years of corporate habit. I will stay awake because there are 6 things I need to do. There are lots of new things he's also spoken this time. He's a man full of tricks. So he will give you all these googlies once in a while, I now need to sit down, burn the midnight oil. That's how we used to work in corporate in that way.
Arupji, what googly I gave you today?
No, there are lots of it, and I'm so happy that you've given it. I'll post it also.
The youth empowerment and all that, is it?
Yeah, all of that. Soumya, just a senior gentleman, 46 years in corporate, unless I don't whip myself to do it, and if I keep it for tomorrow, it will be procrastination. From the old group, you can ask them, none of them have gone into Give India. And I can say it very boldly. I'm a very bold person. I'm not liked very much. If you do it, they will accept you. Your documentation has to be perfect. Your storytelling has to be perfect, because most of the NGOs who I have seen, I have gone through your post, you all are very, very shy in posting. Very, very shy in posting. Now, if you're shy in posting, Give India doesn't know who you are, na? Your document can be immaculate, but if you're shy on showcasing your work, they're not going to accept you.
Okay.
Today, digital is all about showcase.
Okay.
That's a humble submission I have. I'm successful today because of Guruji, and whatever he tells me, I listen. I don't challenge that thought.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So who's next? Anybody else?
That is Alex.
Yes, Alex. Yes.
Yeah,
Alex.
thank you for those tricks of getting the CEO email, and those are really tricks. I mean, and as what you said, it should not be abused, and I think that should be very important.
Absolutely.
Most of the time, people think when some kind of a freedom is given, they're trained to abuse, and
absolutely,
I think that's where we have to restrain ourselves.
We have to be very careful. Yeah. That's very nice. Good. So that is the key takeaway for you, right? Good. And how about Mr. Irfan? What did you learn today?
Hello. Good evening, all.
Yes.
It was all the magic tricks you have shown, sir. Though I am a very starting beginner, but yesterday's session, when I have completed your session yesterday, I've created my logo, I've created my Facebook page, I've created somehow my website also.
Fantastic.
I've purchased a new website for that. And though lots of work I have done, but I don't have a relevant photos or videos or the material stuff what I required for posting.
Right.
So it takes certain time for me to do all the things.
Right.
Even I have discussed with CA for TGN 12 registration also for my new trust.
Right.
Today's session was so attractive. The things, though I spend near about 2 to 3 hours daily on net, I don't know this can be done. You have shown how the email ID can be took from so easily. The birthday celebration, all the tricks are very amazing. It's very nice. I'm thankful to the Almighty God that He has introduced to me to you, sir. Hope I will try to do some good things for the country, for the people, for the betterment of the community. Thank you for all your support till time.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anybody else? Any other newcomers?
Yeah, this is Shivkumar here from Sense International India.
Yes, Shivkumar.
I feel very fortunate to be part of this program. Yesterday, we have been on Facebook for so many. We have been for a long time, but we have been posting. But yesterday, the idea that you gave following those groups was very fantastic. We'll be from now onwards, we'll be searching for those groups and be part of those groups.
Right.
And the tricks that you have given us today, particularly this Snow.io tool, that I found it very interesting and helpful in reaching out to the CSR heads for supporting our projects.
Yes.
Thank you so much, and look forward to your tomorrow's session on I look forward to join you as your mentorship program as well.
Great. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Fabulous. Right. Then we come to who else? Who is the next person? Sudeep, have you made it?
Yeah, it was a good session, insightful session. And this email of CSR, this is a good thing for us. Although we are listed on the Give India and Guide Star for long, and we are also in the process of approved charity. the GiveAid has forwarded and vetted our application and send it to the Facebook for the approved charity.
Right. Very nice. Very
The
nice.
approved charity on Facebook.
Great.
Email,
Yeah. Please,
hello.
please.
Yeah.
Continue. Please
So, but
continue.
this email extraction and this LinkedIn profile, so that we have sent a few proposals to the CSR team, but as you say that they are going into the usual channels. So if we are able to approach the right person or the key person there, decision maker there, I think that that would be great for us. I'm not very sure about this birthday celebration. I'm not very comfortable. I don't think we can give it a try right now, because one thing is that schools are closed due to the COVID, so the children are not there. And secondary, maybe after having some success story, otherwise we can give it a try. But that email thing is.
No, you email. I lost your voice. That
Yeah, this email, this extension is to be taken away.
Right.
We will definitely give it a try.
See, I'll tell you, coming to that birthday celebration part of it, you see a man like Arup Sengupta, do you think he liked it in the first place? At the age of 71, do you think he would have liked that place? But he did not. But he said simply blindly followed it. Okay.
And they are sex worker children. They are not also educated children. They are sex worker children.
Right.
I work from the sex workers colony. So there's a stigma attached to that also.
But he went ahead and did that program, knowing fully well that Amitabh is not going to do anything. But what is the outcome of that he got? Right? Okay, yeah. Who is the other person who did the job? Mahesh Parmeshwaran did the job. What is the outcome of that? In both the cases, if you see, they've got results. You are worried about results, or you are worried about your?
No, not the results. Actually, the two things are there. One is that methodology. Of course, we are not into this kind of thing right now. Maybe we have to break our shackles or break our inhibitions.
You have to break your
inhibition. But second point is more this thing, and I was discussing with the Somya this morning also that you see that we are also in the child protection. I was a state child commission member, and we are running a child line also. So there is a issue of child rights and child dignity and maintaining the confidentiality of the children. That is also one important thing. You just can't flash the children, the disadvantaged children, too long without disclosing their identity. That is a crime. In few cases it is not allowed as per the JJ Act, and in few cases the dignity is at stake, and it may backfire for few of the donors, and so we are not comfortable for that matter also.
So that is up to you. You take a call on that. But for the last 20 years, I've been in the NGO field, right? And I'm. If you go to my YouTube channel, there are more than 300 videos. 300 plus videos are there if you go to my YouTube channel, and all children only giving birthday celebration and all those things. And because this is being shown to the donors' confidence. Confidence on the NGO builds up when such kind of programs are being shown to them. Otherwise, they are not the people to come forward and donate that easily. You have to build the confidence of the donors. For that, those kind of activities are a must, right? If you are prone to government funding, right? What the manner in which you have spoken to me, I feel that you are more towards you're talking about crime, game, and all that. Do you think government people are not doing criminal activities? The kind of funding that they are giving and all that, how much of money actually goes to the beneficiary? 15%, 5%, 10%, 90% of the money goes towards the greasing the palm of the entire bureaucrats who are there. And if that is acceptable, why this is not acceptable? In what way we are harming anybody here? We are not harming anybody. We are actually feeding the children. We are doing everything intact. So if you are strong about all those kind of perception in mind and all those things, the country is not like that. And by doing this, you're not doing anything wrong. Okay. You're not abusing, you're not doing anything, it's absolutely, it's okay. It has to be done. Otherwise, how people will know that you are feeding the children? If you're feeding the children, you need to showcase them that you are feeding the children. If Akshay Patra doesn't do or what? Akshay Patra feeds about 10 lakh people, 10 lakh children per day. Okay, don't they display their children's photographs and all those things? You see most of the photographs that are coming. And there were some comments, recently which came to me also some time back, that, don't project India as a poverty country. Okay, by showcasing that we are very poor. So the fact remains, the fact is real. The fact is, if it's a poverty-stricken country in some of the areas, that if it is not showcased, then how will people come forward and then donate money? And do they have any kind of astrological thinking that they know, okay, this particular rural area is struggling, so I need to give them? Did you know that, you tell me, did you know, being in this country, did you know that in a place called Sundarban, 80% of the population are widows? Okay, and how these husbands are being killed is they are killed by crocodiles and tigers. There are man-eaters. Were we aware of this? Until Mr. Arup Sengupta came and told us, we were not even aware. We didn't even know that such a problem exists in that particular city, not city, it's a village, Sundarban. 1,500 families are there. 80% of them are widows. What will they do for living? And if you don't expose them that this is the problem there, then how will people come forward and donate? There's no way. Absolutely nothing. It's your perception, Mr. Sudeep Goyal. Absolutely. You need to change your thinking. Otherwise, you will have fund crunch. Because you will see that in front of your eyes, people like Arup Sengupta, people like Christopher Joseph, people like Dr. Charles, everybody will start growing, and you will probably be in the same place where you are right now. If your past results have been excellent, continue to do that. Thank you very much. No problem. But if your past results are not good, you have come and attended this fundraising workshop to learn something and to do something new, then please take my advice. There is nothing wrong what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Anybody else?
No, to me, Shruti.
I'm going, but I'm not.
Yeah, I think if nobody else is there, I think we will wind up. Thank you very much. It's been a great evening today, tonight, and wish you all the very best. And tomorrow we'll meet again at 4:30. Tomorrow at 4:30 we are meeting, not at 8 o'clock. Tomorrow we are meeting at 4:30. Okay, so see you tomorrow, and I'll post the link again tomorrow morning, and 4:30 we'll meet up tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay.